Good morning, everyone. I request you all to please rise up for the assembly. Today, we'll start our assembly with World Peace Prayer. So I would like to request you all kindly join your hands for the World Peace Prayer. Thank you so much. Now we will do Saraswati Vandana. Kindly join your hands for Ma Saraswati Vandana. Thank you so much. Now I would like to request Ms. Mamta ma'am to today's thought of the day. Please, ma'am.
Very good morning, everyone. Today's thought of the day is: today may be hard, tomorrow may be harder. Day after tomorrow may be hardest part of your life, just like a coconut shell. But when you crack this coconut or any problem of your life, you can get white, shiny, sweet fruit in your life. So try to cut or try to break this hardest problem of your life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was such a beautiful thought. Now I would like to request Ms. Neha Sharma ma'am for a story. Please.
Hello, good everyone. My name is Neha Sharma. Today I will be narrating a story that is from my childhood. My dad narrated this story to me when I was really naughty and was not able to focus on what I am saying and who I am saying. He said that long ago, lions were men's best friend. There was a woodcutter who used to go to the forest every day to cut the logs of wood. Lion used to accompany him with all his chores. Now, one day, the woodcutter said that, "Lion, you smell very bad. So why don't you take a bath?" So you smell really bad. I'm unable to stay in front of you. So lion went and brought the axe to him and said, cut me here, woodcutter. So the woodcutter cut the lion's hand and lion vanished. After few days, after 1 month passed since, lion never visited the woodcutter. Now after 1 month, when the lion came, he said, see, the wound that gave me is now healed. But the words that you told me that day, it's still there in my heart. I'll never forget that. And now you can go, never come back to the forest. Otherwise, I'm gonna eat you up. And so the woodcutter never returned. And that's how the lion turned out to be our enemies. So the moral of this story, I learned from this that we should be careful with our words. We should be polite and humble. And the small Neha understood the thing. I hope you all did too. Thank you.
Great. That was a very beautiful and marvelous story. Thank you, Ms. Nisha ma'am. Now I would like to request Ms. Amita ma'am to share today's climate update. Amita ma'am.
Hello everyone. So today's climate is real feel, that is 33 degrees Celsius, real feel shade is 28 degrees Celsius, humidity is 86%, dew point is 23 degrees Celsius, visibility is 6 km, cloud cover is 68%. Thank you. Thank you Amita ma'am. Now I would like to call upon Amar sir to share today's news update.
Good afternoon, everyone. Esteemed faculties and all my fellow students. I am Amar Shalke from MIT B.Ed College, St. Tanishwar B.Ed College. I am here to share today's news update. Let's start with first educational news. 3 years of NEP, that is National Education Policy, PM Modi unveils new initiatives for inclusive education. PM Modi addressed the Akhil Bharatiya Shiksha Sangam on NEP's 3rd anniversary, promoting language inclusivity, futurized education, and India's global educational impact. Second, political news. Sharad Pawar to attend event to honor PM Modi, opposition unhappy. NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar is set to join PM Narendra Modi at the award ceremony of Tilak Smalak Mandir on Tuesday, 1st August at Pune, confirmed the Trust Vice President Rohit Tilak. And third is today's environmental news. Era of global boiling has arrived. July declared hottest month on record. The past 3 weeks have been the hottest since records began, with global temperatures shattering previous records. Thank you so much. Now today we have a birthday girl amongst us. I would like to invite her in front of you all. Please welcome and greet her, Ms. Saili Deshmukh. She is determined, hard-working person, still a kind of a mischievous thing that she is having. So please greet her, wish her very happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Saili. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Saili. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much all dear friends. I am very glad to hear it from you. Thank you so much.
Okay, so now we are come to an end of this assembly. We will wrap up this assembly with Om chanting. So I would like to request you all, kindly close your eyes, join your hands and start chanting for the 5 times. Thank you so much for attending this assembly. Assembly is over. You all may disperse. Thank you so much.